guys, I'm Ishita and welcome back to my channel. Since you guys have been loving my must-have videos so much, I thought why not do another one. In fact, a lot of you requested a must-have accessories video. So this video is exactly that. I'm going to keep it very crisp and to the point. So let's get started. But before I jump into the video, all the outfits that I wear in my YouTube videos, plus many more outfit inspirations, you can find all those details on my Instagram feed. So make sure you follow me there. You get exact product details in the caption, so you can just copy that and paste it on the Myntra website or any other website. I mentioned all the details in my caption, so make sure you follow me there. Now let's get started. So the number one must-have is a pair of golden hoops, and just a disclaimer, these are must-haves according to me in my personal opinion, and they may differ for like everyone, but for me number one is golden hoops. I feel like they can elevate your outfit 100%. You can get them in different sizes. I have a medium size, then I also have a bigger size, and then like a slightly tinier one as well. These were from H&M, but I got them long back, so I'm not sure if I will find the exact link for these, but I am going to mention like several links for you guys to choose from in the description box, so do check that out. I feel like golden hoops are like really feminine, and they can really amp up and add that little bit of glamour to any outfit. Also, these are great for like switching your outfit from a day to a night look. So my next must have is a watch. Now if you would have asked me a couple of years back what is my favorite accessory, I would have probably said something else, but for now it's definitely a watch. I feel like it adds that sophistication and classiness to your outfit. The two that I usually wear are both are from Daniel Wellington. This one is a black one with a rose gold, sort of like a dial, and the other one is completely rose gold. I am obviously going to show you guys a close-up of them as well. I feel like these two go really well with almost all the outfits because they're super versatile. In fact, if you guys want to pick these up for yourself, I do have a discount code specially for you guys. It's called ISHNAZZLE. Gonna mention it on the screen, and with that you can get a 15% off for yourself. I feel like if you have nothing else to wear but you have a good watch, that can just do the trick for you. Number 3 on my list is a bracelet. Now this one is actually my first ever bracelet purchase. This one is again from Daniel Wellington, and it's very simple and minimal, which is totally my aesthetic. You can layer it up with a watch. I can always pair it up with the black watch, or I can just whenever I'm wearing like a pendant or like a silver chain, I can wear it in my hands, so it looks like really nice and coordinated. If you guys are going to be interested in these products, I will obviously mention all the links along with alternatives in the description box for you guys. So number 4 on my list are layered neck chains. Now my love for jewelry and accessories started with these and golden hoops. I was never really like a jewelry person. It's only been like a year and a half or something that I've really started accessorizing and investing in accessories, which I think you guys should totally do. So yeah, you can either pick up individual neck chains and stack them up, or you also get like already stacked neck chains. Most of these that I have are from Myntra, so I'm going to mention the product links. You guys can check them out, and also some alternatives for you guys. This one, I guess, I'm not sure where it's from, but picked it up from Myntra. This one is from Mango, and this one is again already layered, so they come already stacked up. Again, these are super useful for making any casual outfits look a little more dinner ready or like date ready, or if you want to go out, you can just put these on and it really amps up your outfit. Number 5 on my must-have accessories list are dainty pendants, and I absolutely love them. I have one in silver and one in rose gold as well, and I suggest keeping like both silver and gold in your collection. I can literally wear these with almost anything and everything. You'll mostly spot these on my Instagram. I wear these with like almost all the outfits, and they really accentuate your collarbones, which I absolutely love because I kind of love my collarbones, so I really love wearing pendants because it accentuates that feature of me. These are from Daniel Wellington as well, and I highly suggest you pick these up because they are super pretty. I haven't come across any other brand that makes such minimal and aesthetic pendants, so do check that out. Links will be down below. Plus you can also use my 15% discount code, which is ISHNAZZLE, so keep that in mind as well. The last and final must-have accessories that I will recommend you guys is having pearls in your collection. It could be just in the form of a simple pearl necklace like this one, or it could be like pearl studs or pearl hoop earrings like these. I in fact got these studs and these hoops very recently. These were from Myntra, but I think these hoops are like super cute. I feel like pearls look really elegant and they look really ladylike, so I highly recommend you keep these in your collection. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and found it helpful. Do let me know in the comments down below after watching this video which is that one accessory that you're gonna add to your collection, or if you already have all of these in your collection, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know your views. Also, do tell me which is the next must-have video that I should make for you guys, because I love making these and you guys love watching them. So excited to do more of these for you guys. That's it for now. I'm gonna sign off. As usual, don't forget to hit that like, share and subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in my next video.